Hello! Hi everyone! Welcome back to day 6 of our countdown until Christmas. We get to open another door in our Build-A-Bear Advent calendar, and we get to open door number 6. See, here's the number 6. And it's a big surprise this time. Oh, I can't wait. Teddy, come say hi. Hello, this is Teddy. Teddy saying hi. Teddy, are you so excited to see what's in door number 6? You are? Me too. Me too. I can't wait to see what it is. And so far, we have gotten this little friend in our Advent calendar, see? On day 1, over here, which is still missing, we got our little bear. Then on day 2, we got this little bear's shirt. And this little bear's name is Barry, by the way, everyone. Then on day 3... we got pants. On day 4, we got the bear's hat. See? And the hat is similar to mine. See, we both have stripes on our hats. See? Stripes. And on day number 5, we got this cute little gingerbread cookie. See, here's a cookie, a little gingerbread cookie. And today is day 6. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. Teddy, what should we do? Open. I think that's a great idea. And Teddy, who should open door number 6? Should I open it? Should you open it? Or should someone else open it, Teddy? What do you think? You're looking behind me. I think Teddy wants Rugby to open it. Let me go get our friend Rugby. Teddy, you want to take turns? Oh, Teddy is the sweetest bear. Teddy wants Rugby to open it. This is Rugby. My mom made Rugby. She did a great job, right? Look, see? Rugby, say hi. Hello, hello. All right, I got Rugby and Teddy and Barry. And now let's see what Rugby will find in door number 6. Teddy, you're a great friend. Do you guys want a hug? Let's see. Look. Oh, hugs. Yay. Best friends forever. I love it. Okay, let's do it, Rugby. Let's bring our friends down. All right, bringing you down. And let's see. And I have to scoot too. Uh-oh. Gotta scoot. All right, Rugby. Here's our Advent calendar from Build-A-Bear. I gotta bring you down more. Let's see what's in door number 6. And who sees the number 6? Where is it? It's this one. This is the number 6. All right, Rugby, you're up. Let's do it. Let's see what's inside. I can't wait. Let's see. Knock, 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 knock. All right, let's see. Rugby, you're good at opening this. Let's see. Open. Open. Oh, look at that. What is that, Rugby? Uh-oh, it's stuck. Oh, no, it's stuck. What do we use? What do we use when something's stuck? Scissors. I hope I still have them here. Teddy, where are the scissors? Where are they? We gotta find the scissors. Where are the scissors? Where are they? Oh, here they are. Scissors. Oh, let's see. Let's open this up. I gotta snip it out and cut because scissors cut. Oh, look, it's so cute. Look, I'm gonna bring you up. Look at this, friends. Look at our new little stuffed animal. How cute is that? Wow, look, it's little, just like Barry. See, Barry is little, and this stuffed animal is little. And who knows what stuffed animal this is? What does it look like? What does this look like? And hey, look, it's the same color as Rugby. Rugby is a white dog. I think Rugby's a dog. Rugby, are you a dog? I think Rugby's a dog. I think so. I think Rugby looks like a dog. Do you guys think that Rugby looks like a dog? I think so. And this looks like... I think this looks like an animal that hops and has long ears and can be white and has a fluffy tail. I think this is a bunny. What do you think? Do you think this is a bunny? I think so. I think this looks like a bunny because of the long ears. And see, look, the ears are silver. They're silver. They're silver like one of the bows that we had. Where were our bows? Let's see if I still have those bows over here. I do. I have bows. Let's find the silver bow. Look, this is a red bow, like the red bow that's on Barry's shirt. See, red bow, red bow. But I want a silver bow. I want a silver bow. This is a gold bow. This is gold. And this is blue. This is blue. And this is silver. It's silver just like our bunny's ears. Our bunny's ears, see? We have to name our bunny. What's our bunny's name going to be? I think I have to think about it. I don't know. Rugby, do you have any ideas? I don't know. What should we name our bunny? Do you have any ideas? What do you think we should name our bunny? Maybe Silver? Because this bunny has silver ears, or Sparkles? Ooh, maybe Sparkles. Because look, the ears sparkle. See how sparkly? I like that. Rugby, what do you think? Should we name this bunny Sparkles? Yes, Rugby thinks so. Teddy, excuse me. Teddy, do you think we should name our bunny Sparkles? All right, Sparkles it is. We named our new white bunny Sparkles because our bunny has sparkly ears. Wow, and look, even the fur has some silver sparkles in it. And look at the cute little tail. Hey, I know. We can all pretend to be bunnies. Do you want to pretend to be a bunny? I hope so. Does anyone remember what a bunny does? Does a bunny swim in water? Or does a bunny hop? Teddy, can you show us how to hop like a bunny? Let's see, Teddy. Let me bring you down. Rugby can do it too. Let's bring all our friends in. All right, Teddy, you're up. Can you show us how to hop like a bunny? Ready? Jump. Up, we gotta bring you down more. There we go. Teddy, let's see. Jump, jump, jump. Oh, Teddy, where are you? Come down, come down. Wow, Teddy, you're jumping up high. See? Or you can say hop, 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 hop. Rugby, your turn. Let's see. Ready? Stand up. Oh, Rugby, you're tall. Rugby's a little bit taller. Ready? And hop, hop, hop. Or you can say jump, 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 jump. And now let's look at Silver, our bunny jump. See? Oh, look at that cute silver nose. Look, they're different. Barry has a red nose, and Silver has a silver nose. See? And they both have eyes. See? We have a lot of eyes. Eye. Those are all eyes. And Silver has silver ears. And Barry has green ears. See? Barry has green ears and a brown tail. And our bunny Silver has a white tail with silver sparkles. Sparkles or silver? Sparkles. We said sparkles. See, here's Sparkles. And Barry. Ta-da! And now let's watch Sparkles hop. Let's see Sparkles. And hop. Oh, you can't see. Hold on, I have to bring it down more. There we go. And hop, 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 hop. Ah! There's Sparkles. Look how cute. I love it. So cute. And hey, let me bring you up now. All right. I think I have to bring you up more. Okay, and I have to come down a little too. All right. And still adjust just a little bit more. Perfect. All right, Teddy. So Teddy is named Barry. This is Teddy's teddy bear. Teddy, do you think that you should share a bear with Rugby? Should we give this bear to Rugby? Maybe this can be Rugby's bear. Well, bunny. Stuffed animal bunny. What do you think? Rugby, would you like to have Sparkles, the bunny, as your stuffed animal? Let's see what Rugby thinks. Yes, you do. Okay, look. This is Rugby's bunny. And Teddy, are you okay with that? Let's make sure Teddy's okay with that. Let's see if Teddy wants to share. I don't know. Teddy, do you want to share your stuffed animals with Rugby? Yes? Why? Why do you want to share your toys, Teddy? Why do you think that Teddy wants to share his toys with Rugby? Rugby, what do you think? Oh, because Teddy's a good friend? I do think so. I think Teddy's the best friend. Teddy's my best friend in the whole entire world, right, Teddy? Yeah. But why else? Why else do we want to share our toys with friends? Just because you're great, Teddy? Yes, Teddy is great. That's why. But I can tell you why it's so nice to share our toys with friends. Because then we get to play together. And now Teddy can use his bear to play. And Rugby can use his bunny to play. And now Teddy and Rugby can play together as best friends, right, Teddy? Now we can all play together. I have a bear. Teddy is my bear. Teddy has a stuffed animal bear. And now Rugby has a bunny. This is great. Rugby, you have a Build-A-Bear too. Ooh, I can't wait to see what else is in our Build-A-Bear advent calendar for our bunny. Named Sparkles because of these sparkly ears. Ooh, I can't wait. This is going to be so fun, see? Let's look. Let's look at which door we're going to open tomorrow. Which door are we going to open tomorrow? Tomorrow, we are going to open door number 7. Door number 7. And tomorrow is a special day because tomorrow is my mom's birthday. And it might be another special day. My sister might have a baby tomorrow. It's going to be a very exciting day tomorrow. Very exciting. We get to open a new door. It's a birthday. And maybe there will be a new baby. Ooh, I can't wait. I can't wait. So many fun things happening tomorrow, Teddy. And today is great too. Oh, goodness. I love it. All right. So, what did we get in door number 6 today? What was in door number 6? Our new bunny friend. And what was our bunny's name? Sparkles. And why did we name our bunny Sparkles? Does anyone remember why? Because Sparkles has sparkly ears that are silver. Wow, I really like this one. This is cute. I like all of them. I have to say, I love all of my stuffed animal friends. Cookie and Rugby and Teddy and Pup and even our Lovies. Remember these? Remember the Lovies my mom made too? I love all of my stuffed animals. Right, Teddy? Yeah, so fun. All right, I can't wait to see what we get to open tomorrow. And thank you for coming to join us for day 6 of our countdown until Christmas with our Build-A-Bear Advent Calendar. Ooh, I can't wait to see what's in our next door tomorrow because, Teddy, how many doors do we get to open each day? Just one. We can only open one. So, Teddy, what time is it? What do we have to do? We have to say bye-bye. Yep, we got to say bye-bye until tomorrow. So, on the count of 3, let's say bye to all of our friends. And we'll say hi again tomorrow, right, Teddy? All right. We have a lot of friends that need to say bye now. All right, Teddy, you're up. On the count of 3, we're going to say bye. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Teddy? Bye-bye. All right. Barry? Bye-bye. Rugby? Bye-bye. Bunny? Sparkles? Bye-bye. And bye-bye, everyone. Thanks for coming to play with us. We had so much fun learning and playing together. And we will see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye. Toodaloo.